It's a good idea to regularly wash your car if you're an automotive enthusiast. Keeping your car clean helps it shine. Most auto lovers will tell you that washing your car regularly is important. Regular car washes can extend the life of your car's paintwork by removing dust mites, tree sap, bird droppings, and salt that can degrade your car's top coat. If you use a specialized car wash soap to remove dirt and contaminants from the surface of your car, the paint will shine. Car soap, like the shampoo we use, is specially formulated for a specific type of surface to improve long-term health and prevent damage. Choosing the right car soap is important. Keep watching this video to know more about the best car wash soap. Okay, let's start with our first pick. Our top pick is Chemical Guys Mr. Pink Super Suds Car Wash, designed to be gentle with adhesives and waxes. This car shampoo is ideal for weekly use and is pH balanced, so it won't harm other materials such as polished metals, decorated with glass, vinyl, rubber, and plastic. It's a smooth formula that floats easily off your car, helping to ensure that swirls and scratches don't show up while you wash. There is no residue left behind by the soap, and the water does not stand still. Like the other products in our video, expect Chemical Guys will produce a lot of foam when mixed properly, and that works great with a foam gun. You absolutely must keep it out of the reach of children and be careful with small children if they are near when you clean the car. It is important to know that Chemical Guys products are of professional quality and that they are simple enough for even a beginner to use to get instant results. This soap is also an excellent choice to use with a snow cannon or foam cannon at a 5-to-1 mix ratio for washing. Whether washing traditionally with a bucket or with a foam cannon, it's the ideal choice when you begin washing and detailing your car. At number 2, Meguiar's Gold Class Car Wash. This is also one of the most popular car cleaning products on the market. It contains an ultra-rich conditioner to keep your car painted in top condition without removing wax protection from the body. All Meguiar car washes are non-detergent, smoothing the surface and removing dirt and debris from the car paint. Gold Class Car Wash is offered as a shampoo and conditioner, allowing you to both clean and condition your paintwork in one easy step. Even from a low-pressure washer, this cleaning with a foam gun produces a lot of bubbles. It is one of the most soapy car shampoos on the market. If you apply it to your car by hand with a wash mitt or microfiber cloth, the soap will be smooth, you will have no problems getting in and out of the car, and the finish will appear very fresh and clean. At number 3, Turlwax Hybrid Solutions Ceramic Wash and Wax. If you've been following car wash and detail trends in the past few years, you've probably heard of ceramic coatings. Ceramic coatings, originally available only to professional detailers, have gained popularity over the years as a wonderful way to protect your car's paint. Of course, some companies have developed ceramic-type products based on the popularity of ceramic coatings. These are not true ceramic coatings, but they contain silicon compounds that can provide some of the benefits of ceramic coatings without all the work. One such product is Turlwax's Hybrid Solutions Ceramic Wash and Wax. It is supported with SiO2 polymer to create a durable barrier for coated and uncoated vehicles. This makes the surface of the car very hydrophobic and creates water beading in foil to keep the finish clean. A chemical-resistant protective layer is added to this car wash soap that cleans the road without damaging it. This product can also be used in combination with a foam gun to make car cleaning even easier. Ceramic car wash and wax products do not produce a lot of foam or very good foam because the compounds contained in them prevent it, but that does not mean they do not work well. Its super slick formula breaks up and removes soil, grime, and residues without scratching your finish. At number 4, Optimum No Rinse Wash and Wax. This is a great choice if you want to save water or live in an area without easy access to hose connections. The cost isn't cheap, but you don't have to use a lot of water. This is because Optimum's waterless car wash does not contain soap surfactants to wash the car. This unique product features a powerful polymer that binds to the paint and protects it from wear during cleaning, while at the same time providing better protection and lubrication than traditional car washes. There is a smooth, glossy finish because of the Carnauba wax. You can't expect to get as good results or protect your paintwork as a regular car wash, but Optimum Wash and Wax is one of the highest-rated car wash products on Amazon, and it's a great car wash right out of the box. 96% plus reviews out of the box. You can only use it if you don't want to put your favorite wax on top of it, and it costs like a premium product. At number 5, Mother's California Gold Car Wash, another brand that is probably recognized in the car care industry as Mother's. The company's California Gold Car Wash is priced and provides similar results to Gold Class Car Wash and Chemical J's Mr. Pink Super Sud Car Wash. However, some users state that both Meguiar's and Chemical Guys are creating more bubbling, giving the impression that these two products provide smoother, cleaner applications. Still, Mother's California Gold Car Wash is very moody compared to cheap car shampoos. Its formulation is also pH neutral for increased safety and resists water stains. Like other luxury car shampoos, it will not remove wax or dull paint when used properly. With this car wash, you can keep your vehicle in untouched condition. This wash is created with a delicate balance between intense cleaning and demanding care. You can thoroughly clean your car while preserving the wax by using it. It is specially formulated to remove dirt, road film, insects, and pollutants without leaving a matte finish on glass and paint. Just use a little of the long-lasting full-bodied formula to create plenty of lather for easy cleaning. This cleanser also balances pH levels and fights water spots. Thanks for watching. If you like the video, then give us thumbs up and subscribe to us for more latest videos. See you guys in the next video.